Hello, friends, and welcome to a new episode of our POV series. In today's episode, we give a car guard a hard on.
Can you not sit still and put your seatbelt on?
We scare some children at the mall.
Yeah, boy.
And make loud boost noises all the way home so all the delinquents like myself have something to perv over for the weekend.
Nice. Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Daddy, that's Mommy's diamond I gave to her.
Careful, Daddy. Can you not sit still and put your seatbelt on?
Daddy, look.
Come sit. Put your seatbelt on. I just want to see everything.
Unfortunately, 4 items died in the making of this video. Number 1. The new Type L fuel pressure regulator failed on installation and had to be replaced with a TurboSmart unit. 2. The HKS spark enhancer died after 2,000 kilometers. 3. The original exhaust manifold cracked under full boost. 4. The original radiator was in a bad state and started leaking at 2,000 kilometers. Don't worry, these items have all already been replaced. New vids with new parts will be coming soon.
Thank you, Max. Now sit in your seat and put your seatbelt on, please.
But it's too hard when I do this.
It's not too hard when you're a nonsense, though. Why don't you put more effort into being a good boy?
I did do that too. Please, one more shot.
No, my boy. It's almost Judas time for you. You don't want to eat your chocolate and your chippies. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat it now, Daddy.
No,
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yes. Yes, Max.
Listen to me. Listen. Stop. Stop. I need to know what is happening right now.
Okay, you know what? Moving too fast. Bottom line, are you in or are you out?
What are you talking? In or out of what?
No time for questions, just action. In or out.
Okay, well, then I'm out.
I'm sorry.
Babe.
Actually, you're already in.
Okay, then why would you ask me?
Because I thought you would go, I'm in.
Babe.
We would have had a really cool moment, but you kind of ruined the whole thing.
This is the new TurboSmart FP R800 now fitted to the car. Since this bad boy has been fitted, the pops and bangs have been fire.
Daddy, someone put a plastic in the tree.
Fury Accessories have also assisted us with ordering a new turbo manifold that will arrive towards the end of November. We have had the original one welded up for the meantime.
stop right there. You're going too fast. Slow down. What the fuck is wrong with you?
We would like you to be part of the build. Vote in the comments on the wheel color, black or silver.
Yeah, boy.
Max, I'm driving.
We have recently painted the stock intercooler as well. Please let us know what you think in the comments.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
We will be at the Chatsworth car show with Jolene this weekend. We hope to see you there.
Damn, these things are fast.
Going fast, Max.
Yes!
What did he say?
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be!